Net profit. The increase in net assets is $692. Drawings are $308, and capital introduced is $180. What is the net profit for the year? Answer: ending capital equals beginning capital plus profit plus additional capital minus drawing profit equals drawing plus ending capital minus beginning capital minus additional capital. Increase in net asset equals ending capital minus beginning capital. Profit equals drawings plus increase in net assets minus capital introduced equals $308 plus $692 minus $180 equals $820.